y'all, it's Sheeta D from sheetasontheloose.com, here to talk to you today about why this is the perfect time to plan your career break. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love to talk to you about taking career breaks. I really recommend that women take time out of their busy careers just for themselves, and whether that is for a staycation or whether that is to travel the world on a career break, my fave, I always will tell you that it's a good idea. We typically have so much to do and we are so caught up in our lives that we don't have any concerted time for ourselves. It might be a self-care day on a Sunday, or maybe an afternoon getting your nails done 2 weeks later, but really stepping back from your life, from your responsibilities, and just saying, this is me time, we rarely get that. And so I'm all about advocating for women to go on career breaks to travel the world. I think it is the best thing you could do. I did it in 2018 and it totally changed my life. So today we're going to talk about why right now, in the middle of a pandemic, is the perfect time to plan your career break. Reason number one, you've got more stress. Now, most of us around the world, our stress level's gone up a bit. I mean, hit me in the comments if your stress level's gone up, because I'm sure it has. So with our stress levels going up, now is the perfect time to plan time for yourself. It may not be the perfect time to travel, but now is the perfect time to realize that what you're doing isn't sustainable. It's not making you happy and you want more for yourself. And so now is the time to start planning your trip. Reason number two, you've got a lot more time on your hands. Now, this isn't true for everybody. I know a lot of you have a lot less time and probably a lot more stress. That's a really horrible combination. But if in this moment you have more time than you usually do, this is the perfect time to start planning for your career break. It's the time to start saving. It's the time to start considering what countries you want to go to. It's the perfect time to start planning out for 6, 12, or 18 months from now. Because when I talk about planning a career break, I'm not talking about leaving today. I'm not talking about leaving tomorrow. If you want a staycation tomorrow, I've talked to clients, my coaching clients, who within 2 weeks of talking to me have quit their jobs for staycations because they're just like, I can't do this anymore. I don't want to do this anymore. I'm just going to stay home. But if you want to travel, which is really what I recommend because I love to travel, you don't have to go now. What you can do now is plan your ideal trip. So plan where you're going to go when the world opens up. Plan what your budget is. Plan all the things you need to do along the way to make that trip really work. And if you don't know where to start planning, I'll add some resources in the description. So I think that's it for me today. Start planning now. Yeah, that's it. Start planning now. Get your career break under control now. Get the vision for your career break now so that when the world opens up, you can implement it and you can get on out of here. All right, I hope you're doing great wherever you are. Oh, and turn on notifications so you get alerted when my next video is up. Thanks. Bye, y'all.